What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I just bought this and it came. It says Canway. It's a travel duffel bag, and this one is in 65 liters. Now, I will tell you that this little portable duffel bag comes in different capacities, 85 liters, 100 liters, I think. And, you know, I just wanted something pretty small, but look at this. First of all, you wouldn't think that this sucker's a duffel bag. I mean, it almost looks like a European carry-all. You can see we have a little nylon tab here, so you can grab it over here. We have the end of the zipper on this side. That nylon runs all along the edge there. And then on this side, we have a metal pull zipper that opens up all the way, 3 sides here, with Canway pleather logo on the top there. And then you can see on the outside, actually, we have a little pocket here. Now, that's actually part of the bag too. So I'm just gonna fold this open, and you can see we have more and more of the bag. I should also show you, looks like there's a zipper on the outside here too. So there's actually some usable storage when it's all folded up. But when we unfold it, look at this. All of a sudden, we have now what you recognize as a duffel bag. And this one's in heron gray, nice 600D polyester or nylon construction, so it should be very sturdy. And it's kind of a rectangular sized and shaped duffel bag, as you can see here. Now, it's all been true unboxing, so there's nothing in it giving it any shape yet. But as you can see, I really like the look of it. It's got a kind of a nice, rich look. And if we open it up here, look at the handles. Got nylon handles here with a nylon Velcroed connector, which will also give you a nice comfortable handle to grip it by. And then if we open up the top, I want to start here, open up the top, because what you'll be able to see here is we have a little plastic D-ring on both ends, and on this end we have a shoulder strap already connected to the side. And we also have right here a nice big pad for your shoulder. So again, that heron gray material on that side, but then we also have some of this like jersey-like mesh with some padding as well. So that should be comfortable. And then all plastic hardware, no metal hardware on these clips, but then you can just attach that sucker right here. And it's easy to detach it from both sides and throw it back in the bag if you want. If I just open it up here, what you can see is we have a nice big opening inside. We have this little flap inside here with a zipper, nice kind of bright orange zipper on it, so you can put your keys or your cell phone, things like that, especially if you're using this as like a gym bag, which I think it is intended for. You can have those up here on the top as opposed to falling down or falling inside your shoe or something like that. So obviously, pretty big cabinet, 65 liters is not a small bag. Now, on this end, I'll show you the simpler end, I think, first here. We have another zipper, and we have a pocket on this side. It actually goes up and down, so it's the full size, which is probably almost a foot by, I don't know, maybe 9 or 10 inches. So you can put quite a bit in here on this side. Now, this side is the more interesting side to me. One, I do like the fact that we also have nylon handles on each side, so you can grab it like this and pick it up. But as you can see here, we have a big zippered pocket, but that's because this sucker is for shoes. And one of the telltale signs is we have a couple of grommet holes right there for breathability. And then we have a big pouch here, very deep, goes halfway into the bag. And so you can put your shoes in here, and you can see you can pull it out, kind of shake out any dirt. This is great for cleats, for tennis shoes, anything that you're kind of keeping separate from your clothes or your gym clothes or your workout clothes, so you don't get those soiled as well. So I really like the fact that you have a big shoe pocket there. You know, it's also great for just kind of separating other things too. You don't have to use them for shoes, but having a shoe pocket on a workout gym bag is really, really nice. Now, if I flip it over here to this side, on this side we have a Velcroed pocket right here. Oh, it's not a Velcroed pocket. It's a pass-through strap, so you can put this on your rollerboard handles. So that's pretty nice. And then the Velcro will hold it so that it'll keep, you know, each of those bars kind of separated to keep it from really sliding back and forth, which is really awesome. I thought it was a pocket. But we do have a zipper pocket on top of that, this big band right here. And so you can put things on here, you know, especially, you know, if you're traveling with this, or boarding passes, your ID, those kinds of things. So that's great. It's another awesome feature here if you're using this for carrying things with like luggage. Now that one pocket I showed you on the outside, which isn't zippered or anything, when it's folded up, this is the outside panel here, and so this pocket is still useful even when it's in bag form. And that other pocket I showed you, which is the other panel on the outside of the duffel bag here, is another zipper pocket, so quite useful right there. Now, let's see if I can kind of push this thing all the way back into its travel state here. I'm gonna leave the shoulder strap in place, and I'm just going to kind of collapse everything down. I think we just kind of fold these two sides. Got a little air trapped in there. Just gonna fold everything in where it needs to go, and then I'm gonna fold over this top. It's probably not quite as nicely done as it was when I unboxed it here, but it's really just that simple to package this thing up and make it ready for travel. So what I really love about these travel bags is, you know, they're as useful as any duffel bag, and I've reviewed some of these packable backpacks too, but the great thing about them is they are so easy to pack and take with you on a trip, throw in your car, put in your trunk, put under the seat of your car, because they just are designed to be a really clean, travelable package like this. So you can take them on vacations, you can take them, you know, to the gym, to work, have it in your desk even. Pretty awesome. This is, you know, also a really good deal. I picked it up on Amazon. Like I said, you can get this not only in this size, but a little larger, 8,500 liter if you wanted to, but the 65 is a really great kind of everyday useful size. So check it out. I'll put a link to this bad boy in the description below. Peter von Panda, out!